Seance on the Amtrak. Everyone is a little alone in Winona, Minnesota. Even stoplights. A spotted cow glares from across a field where teal pumpkins team the fence line. I came here to love you a little bit less, cowboy. Have mercy on this rude girl who doesn't want to be left with just heartache and a barred tab. All my friends are wasted and laughing inside, I say to the moon. And she says, when did you stop noticing how someone is always yelling about something in a house just within earshot? Speak the burn out of this and just text him. The moon barks. Like she's a stud on a boot on my throat. The moon in Minnesota is pushy and messy. She sells ammo and used DVDs. She's the queen of what ifs. She starts with a wet red lip and works her way down to my elbow deep in the earth. We should have a three-way, I say, to the moon and the cowboy of the month. We could sit in silence in the Amtrak observation deck and drink smuggled purse beers. We could go to a small town to be strangers in love with the moon. We could sit near the Mississippi and you would look at me like you always look at her.